apps affairs show you
How to create iPhone avatar or memoji. Follow these easy steps to create an avatar for you. First of all, launch the message apps. And now you can open any conversation or you can create a new chat. Once you are in a conversation, tap on this plus icon and here search for memoji. Tap on memoji. Now to create your avatar, just tap on this plus icon and now select your skin tone to create a avatar or memoji. Go to hairstyle and select a hair for your memoji. Go to brows, select a brows. You can change color of brows. That's how you'll be able to customize your avatar. Go to eyes, select any eye style. So here you will get bunch of different options to edit your avatar or memoji. Once done, just tap on done and that's it. As you can see, my avatar has been created and now you can easily send your avatar to anyone using this message. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.